Hello?
Pausing. I'm walking by my house. Why my camera look like that? Oh, look at that big old bird. Man, they got seats and everything down. They got seats and everything down here. I think people been going all the day. Oh, that's a wheelchair. Oh, they threw somebody up in here. Oh, they threw somebody up in here. So that's a murder.
I would have did that on GTA.
I think my cousin Billy Ray in there. Billy Ray! Hey, the Echo.
Scooter? You in that scooter?
Scooter!
Damn.
Oh, y'all saw that?
I think they
Woo! A bird just fell in there.
saying they put somebody up there saying it's a whole murder son. Real talk.
Oh, yeah. This somebody that got alligators in there.
But don't got alligators up in here.
This is good, boy.
If it do,
Alligators.
son, man, look at
Well, I've been fishing for like 10 years and I never caught a fish here. I don't know why. Maybe all the fish are gone. But you know what? I still have faith and hope, and I'm gonna keep fishing. Here, let it fishing. Nigga, man, why this sea wet? Man, you was wet.
oh. You might want to throw this one, son.
I don't know who the fuck is.
I mean, you already throw the person. I didn't even see that.
Okay, time to go.
We'll be ready on ourselves.
Man, hey, this dog, this ignorant. Somebody probably using this.
No cap.
I'm gonna go fish him out.
Oh, wow. She's gonna get a big old magnet and throw it up in there. You might catch something else.
I'm gonna replace him. I'll put some decent fish tools right there.
I want to do that again.
But don't push it, they got a dish right here. They left.
Huh? Yeah. Hey, how about somebody should drift around this whole little circle? That'd be rough.
I can see it don't need for speed.
Yeah, what's this?
I was born by the river.
The river. Born by the river, I was.
Oh.
No, it's not even say it.
Well, we already know where you was getting it.
Oh.
I hear y'all back there.
Man, y'all singing that song, Shane?
So how your day was at school?
Bad.
Why?
They was keeping saying, here on YouTube.
They mean, you had no girls on your trip?
No.
What you mean, no? So they went like, boy, you was on YouTube, why won't you? Yeah. So if a girl come up to you or decline, you ain't ready for no girlfriend right now?
They will climb me.
Oh. So you tried to ask one out before? Yeah. Hey, son. Well, Fat Boy said a girl declined him
When?
at school.
Today?
I don't know about today. You talking about today? No.
When that was?
In 3000 BC.
Hey, shoot your shot again.
You right. She just tried to get. I bet she said yeah.
Then look,
She
the break
did.
put after that. Huh? He said what?
She was like in a cave woman.
He said she did.
Oh, so you want to move on the big girl?
No. My great grandfather tried to get it.
Oh. What?
Well, he's going to jail.
He going to jail for real. I don't think he's still. That many grapes.
I only got a great.
count.
I keep doing stuff to make myself out of breath like I ain't like shape.
Make sure y'all go click the link in my bio. Make sure y'all go click the link in my bio for the new video that's out now. I know, couldn't drop some more videos. I had slept because my camera was broke. I had to go get a whole new one. It wasn't working, so I had to go get a whole. Hey, where my old camera at?
I have not seen that camera in about 10 years.
You so exaggerating. Look at him spin.
Oh, so y'all just spit.
Yeah, y'all should spin.
Oh, hey. Stop.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you better watch out, boy. That one sounded infected.
I thought you got hit.
You don't.
That's all I gotta do.
Michael used to do that.
Swear to God.
Y'all heard how loud that was?
Hey, man, school food in Texas was so pressure. The only thing about it, you just had to pay for it.
That is a nasty sound.
Wow, my camera too zoomed in. Oh, what? Green dot.